Hello, my name is Joe and this is Jessica. Welcome to this video on palletizing ergonomics in food and beverage wholesale distribution. Many of us work with pallets every day and know how important they are to move and transport our products. There are correct ways to work with pallets for minimizing risks and hazards. And there are also many incorrect ways which may feel easier, but actually increases our risk and can put us all in danger.
In this video, we'll explore some of the challenges when palletizing and depalletizing, and we'll identify the correct and incorrect ways of doing things. So let's get started.
Let's begin with optimizing stack heights. This can be a challenge because stacks of goods can be both too high and too low, leading to awkward postures and positions, such as stooping or overhead reaching. Using equipment such as a pallet lifter or carousel can help manage stack heights effectively to reduce bending to lower levels or reaching across a pallet, reducing the risk of injury.
When lifting is unavoidable, proper lifting technique is crucial. Always bring the load close to the body and keep it close through the entire lift when possible. Ideally, use handles if available. If not, place your hands under the load rather than clamping with flat hands. Remember to follow safe lifting and manual material handling training guidelines, such as allowing the legs to perform most of the lifting instead of the back to avoid injury.
Wear proper fitting gloves that do not impact your dexterity, while still allowing you to grip slippery food or objects. This ensures you can handle items safely and efficiently. Gloves with a grip coating can assist in reducing the muscle activation of the hands, wrists, and forearms. An awkward and heavy item should be performed as a team lift where possible. Communication and coordination are key to avoid unintentionally dropping and to ensure that loads are equally distributed between team members. Ultimately, reducing handling is key, and automation can help. For example, using a mobile conveyor for palletizing from a trailer or container can significantly improve efficiency and reduce manual handling, such as carrying long distances.
Yes, and there are machines that can help with wrapping, such as a stretch wrap machine.
When these are not available, manually wrapping using a long-handled tool can help to maintain neutral postures and prevent strain and injury.
There seems to be quite a few ways to minimize risks when palletizing and depalletizing. So, what are some of the things we should avoid?
Well, for starters, we should avoid overreaching, which can cause strain. When accessing items on upper racks or shelves, use a reach tool when possible for pulling items closer before lifting to reduce the need to overreach and strain. Avoid lifting 2 items at a time whenever possible. This reduces the risk of injury and ensures better control and visibility. Avoid clamping items with flat hands, get a good grip, and remember to wear gloves. Avoid risky behaviors with your machinery. It might be tempting, but if you cannot access an item, reach out to your supervisor and find a safer method. Don't take unnecessary risks. Your supervisor plays a key role in identifying and addressing all potential hazards and concerns, including MSD hazards. They should be regularly checking in with you and your team to ensure that your work isn't causing you discomfort and that all safety protocols are followed. So, if you have questions or concerns, reach out to them to let them know.
That sounds great. To recap, your tips to working safely with pallets include: use a pallet lifter when possible to reduce bending and a carousel to reduce reaching. Lift from the bottom, or use handles. Wear gloves that fit. Lift heavy and awkward objects as a team. Reduce handling by implementing automation. And use a stretch wrap machine or a long handle wrapping tool.
That's right. We must also remember not to overreach, and don't lift more than 1 item at a time. Don't clamp items with flat hands, and don't misuse machinery, no matter how tempting it may be. In short, the key ergonomic consideration is to reduce manual handling, and when other methods are available, do so thoughtfully and safely. By following these tips, you can ensure a safer and more efficient palletizing and depalletizing experience.
Thank you for watching this video. Visit us at wsps.ca/resourcehub/food beverage wholesale distribution, or contact us directly for more information.